Alright, hey guys, welcome back to AnonymousSushi. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make shrimp tempura at home. Okay, so we're going to be needing flour, some tempura batter. This is 1 cup of flour with a little bit of water. You want to have it a little bit runny, not too thick, not too runny. And then some regular large shrimp. Okay, and then some oil to fry your tempura. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to prep the shrimp right away. Okay guys, so we're going to take a piece of shrimp and then we're going to actually just peel the shrimp skin first. Okay, so once we peel the shrimp skin, we have a piece of shrimp here. So I'm going to take a chopstick actually and I'm going to poke it in the back. Okay, so you want something thin and sharp. This is going to help take out the guts of the shrimp. So that's how we're going to clean it in a simple way, as you guys can see. It's going to take something and poke the back and then pull out the guts. Okay, so that's the easiest way to peel shrimp. And then once we do that, we're going to actually just take our knife. Okay, so we're going to take our knife and we're actually going to just score the center of the shrimp now, okay? So I'm going to actually de-vein this side too, so both sides have a little bit of vein inside, so I'm going to take out the vein in the belly too. Okay, and once you do that, you have to, for the belly side, we're going to score the belly of the shrimp. Just so it can kind of stretch out a little bit, and then we're going to kind of pinch the shrimp and press down as we go. And this is going to give us a shrimp that is good for making a shrimp tempura. Alright, so once we have all of our shrimp deveined cleaned, we're going to stretch it out, wash it once, and then we're going to just simply put it into our flour. Okay, so just take all the shrimp and place them in the flour. Alright guys, so now I have my oil. I'm ready to fry my tempura. I'm just gonna check to see if my oil is ready, and by doing that I'm going to take a little bit of my tempura batter and just put it into my oil. If it floats up right away, that's when you know it's ready. If the tempura is still sitting when you put it in the oil, then it means it's not ready. Okay, so we're gonna take our shrimp, put it in our flour. Okay, and then we're just gonna fry it like that right away. And it goes, and it goes. Okay, so I actually think I made this a little bit too thick, so you guys are definitely more than able to water it down a little bit if you guys would like. Okay, so just like that, I'm gonna fry my shrimp. Yeah, I do not think it takes too long to cook. It probably should cook for maybe about 30 seconds to 45 seconds and it should be done. Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna let that cook for a little bit. And just like that, so it should be done. You should have a nice shrimp tempura. Okay, so there's some nice shrimp tempura for you guys. Okay, so if you guys liked the video, please click down, like, and subscribe. Thank you.